Have you ever stepped in a room or a space where there were other people and immediately felt drained and overwhelmed, like a dark energy there, and you just suddenly felt that? If so, then hold on, this video is for you. Hello, my beautiful souls, and welcome back in another episode of Nisrin's Spirituality. In here, we learn all about how to use spirituality and psychology to be happy, be successful, and just create the reality of our dreams. So, as I said, if you have ever experienced this, this is related to something you have, I think, heard of before, which is being an empath. So, what is being an empath? Being an empath is having the ability and the capacity to feel others' emotions as if they were ours. Others, people, beings, animals, even places, we are just capable of feeling energies, and if we are not aware of that, it can be very overwhelming and it can be very uh, challenging to deal with that because we're not understanding why we feel this way, right? So empath people, myself, a one, and I used not to understand this, and I used to be just very overwhelmed and just loaded by the energy of others because I can feel into anybody's emotions. And I used to, as a child and all during my life, used to feel my parents' energies, my family, people around, people in the street, everywhere. And I used to think that there was something wrong with me until I grown up, and through my studies and researches, I learned about this thing of being an empath, and I just immediately understood I was an empath, and I can just feel into and tap into others' energies. It is challenging when you tap into negative energies because you don't know how to deal with that, and you feel like it's your own, and you feel all by a sudden you feel like very sad, very full of anger, very full, and it is not even your energy, it's just the energy of the person sitting next to you. And when we don't know how to deal with that and how to set boundaries, well, it is very challenging in life to be an empath. And I guess that everybody has this ability, but a lot of people are not aware of it. But now a lot of people are becoming aware of it. They just struggle with how to deal with that because we don't want to take other people's negative energies, right? Sorry. So today I'm going to tell you about how to deal and how to use that ability and that spiritual gift to empower you, and how to protect or keep yourself out of the influence of any negative energies out there. So the first thing is to have a ritual to cleanse your energy. Whether you have already then done that or not, you must, as an empath, if you may, have some kind of a ritual to cleanse your energy. For me, it is so simple. It is uh, a shower. I use water to cleanse my energy. So every night before going to bed, I take a shower with the intention that I am releasing any negativity and anything that does not belong to me, and even anything that is no longer serving me. And just I have my eyes closed and I just visualize that I'm releasing all of that negativity into Mother Earth, which is absorbing it and transforming that negative energy into light and love. You can use this. You can use sage, for instance, to like burn sage and just turn it all around your body as a way of cleansing your aura and your energy from any negative energy of others. Even places have negative energies. These are some examples of how to cleanse your energy. So first step, you must have a ritual to cleanse up your energy from negativity. Second thing is to have a ritual to like break out of others, which is set boundaries. You must understand that it is not because you have this gift that you are meant to be in service of others and in a way where you sacrifice yourself. It is great, and the purpose of being here is to be in service for others, right? We all agree about that. But you have to do it from a place of wholeness. If you actually believe that you are a victim of others' negative energies, you have to set some kind of boundaries to protect yourself in a sense, or just honor yourself. It is more that you just have to serve yourself as you serve others. So you have to honor yourself. So if you have some family members, some friends that have tendency to drain you with their negative attitude, negative emotions, just learn to say, I will catch up with you later. Now I need some time because I need to recharge, or I cannot, I will help you later, but for now I cannot. I need some time for me, or I need to deal with other things. You just, what's best for you to say as a way to set boundaries. Okay? The third thing related to being empath, and which is the most important thing for me, is for you to understand that you are, you have the free will to choose to take other energies or not. You can feel it, yes, because you're an empath. But you don't have to take it as your own, because it is not your own, especially negative energy. You just have to be conscious of this belief that you may have, which says, if I'm an empath, I'm going to be drained by others, and I have no choice than to take others' negative energy. This is not true. This is a limiting belief, and this is not the truth, because the truth is you have the free will to, like, energetically speaking, set your boundaries. You don't have to feel sad just because your friend is feeling sad. You, as an empath, will feel in his sadness, you are going to acknowledge that because you have the capability to feel it and sense it, but you don't have to take it for you and feel it for yourself. No. Energetically speaking, you have the ability to leave each energy for its person. So this is the most important thing to know for you as an empath, is that you have the free will to choose and just don't take other energies. You have your own energy, and that's for you, and that's just enough. Okay? So, what else about being an empath? As a spiritual gift, it can be used to a positive way to use that, or an empowered way to use that, is that you intuitively know when you yourself need healing, and when others need healing. So you can do that as a service for others in an appropriate way, depending on people. You can know that this and this person will do better if she or he have some healing sessions, and you are going to know that for yourself. You are just intuitively are going to know that you need healing in that area of your being, of your personality and experience as a person in this lifetime. So this is the empowered way to know that. There's also another way how you are going to use this ability, and we are actually very, very intuitive when we are empath people, and we can read. I don't know if all empaths can do that, but I definitely can do that. We can read into people's energy, and just as if you are going to meet somebody for the first time, and you are going to intuitively have as a resume about this person, if it is a more good driven person or a more what we call bad driven person, if it's going to be resonating with you as a person or not. You are just going to know that. Sometimes even without interaction, just from reading the energy of the person and looking into his face. So, and this is to be used in a wise way. That is to say, we don't use this to judge people without interaction and just make conclusions about people without having any interactions, but we consider this knowingness and this intuitive insight we had, and then we give a chance to interact with the person, and then it will confirm or not the intuitive insight we had, or it may not confirm that. That is to say, that you just had a judgment about the person, because at the end we are not perfect. Even with spiritual gifts, we still don't know everything, and it is not possible for a single person to know everything. We all agree about that. So I hope this video will help you to deal with yourself being as an empath, both in protecting yourself from the negative consequences of that, and how to use it in a positive way. For instance, if you are a coach, a mentor, or a healer, it will be very helpful having the spiritual gifts. I hope this resonates with you, and I hope by you being in this channel, you actually are into your spiritual awakening. So make sure you go and check the other videos and watch the ones that you need and that resonates with you. Until next time, I'm telling you to take care of yourself and to always remember that you are worthy, you are loved, and you are love and light. Love you so much.